So I got my fire. Richard just lit it up for us. Although it's not raining right now, everything is soaking wet. And but it's nice. Because can you really say you've been camping if you didn't have a fire? Just a minute. I don't want to fall over anything behind me. Nor do I want to have wood fly. Oh. What row? That's good. I saw you lump. I bet you she's here. There's Miss Patty Lake. She knows, Mom, we're right here. We're not leaving you. We'll never leave you.
See that knot?
Yeah?
Yes, put the knots.
You don't have a piece to get.
Oh, look. I forgot to take the guard off it.
Oh, for God's sakes.
When it wouldn't split.
You forgot the guard.
Well, I'll sew that up when I get home. Oh well.
That's a very tough piece of wood right there.
That knife, I guess. See that?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
That was small enough.
We didn't bring chairs, did we?
No, we didn't.
Okay. So that's another thing we need to always remember. We may as well just put them in there and leave them. Just put it in like that, honey.
Huh?
Just put it in like that, right like that.
Why?
Why not? Why kill yourself when you won't be out here this long because it's gonna rain. Now, if we had our tarp, we couldn't have our tarp up, could we? With that going.
The awning?
I'm an awning. No. We did not undo the awning because there's trees right there. Before we leave tomorrow, I will walk around here and show you. Hopefully, it was raining like crazy today, off and on. My favorite kind of heat, right there. Wood heat. Bottom line, nothing like wood heat. Don't step on your hatchet.
That's it. That's all the wood.
Okay. So I'm going to stand closer because it's cold. That table should actually be over here.
I know. That's what I'm putting over there.
Because that fire is right on that table, but it's a soaking wet table, so. There's a gully in the hill that goes right behind our RV. Oh, now that feels good. It's gonna rain a little more, darn it. Been out here a whole 6 minutes. I've used up about half a quart of wood, would you say, in a month and a half?
Yeah.
I've used up about a half a quart of wood in a month and a half. And
3/4.
3/4, Richard says. I wish we had a little trailer just to put firewood in when we go out. A little utility trailer.
Yeah.
Because all of this wood that he's put in here, he got it free. They gave it to him, but it's normally, that would be $14 worth of wood. That's just ridiculous. Man, somebody get wealthy off of me. Just nice to stand by fires. Got your little cover
you can
on.
sit on it.
I was just showing him the cover to the axe. Or is that the hatchet? No, that's the axe. Oh, he's going to burn that. Sear it.
Well, the threads. I want to burn the threads off it.
Yeah.
See that fuzz?
Should that fire be right on that lighter thing?
What?
That lighter, is that?
Oh, that's empty basically.
Okay.
It's closed, but you're not too worried about it, are you?
I was just curious.
Leave it right there. It was hot, but that's why I put it there to cool it up.
So this is our 4th night out, and this is our first campfire because it's rained like crazy every night.
Because we are not rich people.
That's true. If I did not have a doctor's appointment, we would go up to Newport tomorrow. As long as our brakes checkup at Les Schwab turns out okay. We have to be there at 10, so we'll be checked out of here by then.
That's it. And then put the other piece in when it burns down. Huh?
Yep.
I need to put this away. So, I need to get Buddy.
Okay. So I had a good live stream today. Met some new friends. Came in. We're making steady progress on growth. You know, a little bit each day. And that's really nice. We're right on the top of the hill here and at this park. Right at the top of the hill. I don't think there's any place any higher up, is there?
I don't think so. Thank you. It wasn't easy to build with the wet wood.
No, I can imagine.
No, it wasn't all wet. I'm looking for land.
Oh, yeah. There should be, there's, you know, if you go down there and then off to the left, there's a lot back in there. Yeah, 'cause I was camping there probably about 3 years ago. So you gotta, yeah, you just gotta go past the campsite back.
Super nice.
I'm not up to that.
Okay. Talk to you later.